Hi, Busker 909 here. GDG, open G. That's Good Golly Miss Molly by Little Richard. It's a 12-bar blues with a couple subtle variations in it. If you don't know what a 12-bar blues is, just in case, it's 4 measures of the 1 chord, or 1 riff in this case, 2 measures of the 4 chord on the 5th fret, 2 measures of the 1 chord, 1 measure of the 5 chord on the 7th fret, 1 measure of the 4 chord on the 5th fret, and 2 measures of the 1 chord, with a little bit of a variation. But I'll teach you the riff first. It's actually really easy, but it's a little bit of a trick to get it up to speed. It's open, open on the low string, down and up picking everything in this, and then 4, 4 on the low string, and then open string, 2 of those, and then a 2, 2nd fret, 0 on the middle string. 0, 0, 4, 4, 0, 0, 2, 0. After you've been playing it for a while, you should be able to bring it up to a speed. And then, for the 4 chord on the 5th fret, it's the same lick. It's just moved up. So it's 5, 5, 9, 9 on the low string, 5, 5 on the middle, 7, 5. Back to the 1. Then to the 5 on the 7th fret. That'd be 7, 7, 11, 11, 7, 7, 9, 7 on the middle. 4 chord on the 5th fret, and then the 1. And the first time you do it, you stop there instead of finishing it or going into a turnaround. The turnaround is actually his voice screaming out, "Good golly, Miss Molly." Then you do a full 12 bar, and when you come around to that part again, you stop after you've done it twice, which is like a 1 of the next verse, and he sings an a cappella verse, and all you do on the guitar is just go 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, and then you jump in on the 4 chord on the 5th fret and play through the progression. And sometimes you stop there, and sometimes you play it twice. You'll know what to do. The only other thing you need to know is the ending has a little trick to it. It goes up to the 5 chord as usual, and then it stops on the 4 chord. And that's just a G chord, 0, 0, twice. And then G6, which means you put your first finger on the 2nd fret of the middle string. You know, like, but a little quicker. Open, open, open 2, twice, open, open, open 2, twice, open, twice. And then you do 1. And you can hang on to that if you want. And then resolve it. I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.